Mr. Clavel, students, anybody who's watching this basically. This is my lab assignment 12, the Neuro assessment tools. The assessment that I chose was the functional reach test, and it's an assessment that tests your dynamic balance, and it um, it's a fairly simple test, but it also gives you a good uh, marker on how everything's going to be okay. So I'm going to show you guys how the test is actually done. So get up real quick. So the test starts off in a neutral position like this, arms out, and you're supposed to reach out as far as you can, right? That's as far as you can go. Like me, this is as far as I can go. I don't know how many inches that is, but I'm pretty sure it isn't bad. But the thing with uh, people who are injured or and they can't do that motion, it depends on it. It affects different things. So let's say a completely a normal person who is not injured or anything is supposed to be able to get at least 10 inches or greater in their reach, and that means that you're perfectly healthy and nothing's wrong. Or it doesn't mean you're perfectly healthy, but yeah, you know what I mean. That's like a good indication of the result. But then there's also different. It goes in ranges. There's 10 and up's good, and then there's 6 to 10. 6 to 10 inches is if you are in the range of 6 to 10 inches of mobility, you have a 2 times greater risk of falling when compared to somebody who has someone who has 10 inches or higher. So you have the 2 times greater chance of falling, basically. And this mostly affects elderly and people with weak bones or something like that, or deficiencies or something like this. So 6 to 10 inches is that one. And then there's, if you do 6 inches or less now, you have a 4 times greater chance of falling compared to the 10. And then finally, if you're unwilling to even just like stretch out and go, then you have an 8 times greater chance um, of falling compared to other people. So it's a fairly simple test, and it's a good test just to test their mobility and their balance. So besides that, that's basically all I had to say for my test. So hope you guys found it informational, and have a great day, guys.